Is there something wrong with the internet connection? T10 Smart Wireless Coverage System. T10s build a mesh network and roaming Wi-Fi connection for the entire house without dead spots. Just press the T button to create a smart mesh network. Multiple T10s can be linked automatically to build a dual-band Wi-Fi network and to expand Wi-Fi coverage flexibly, to create an ultra-fast and seamless roaming Wi-Fi system immediately. T10s deliver roaming Wi-Fi throughout your home and connect you to the strongest signal, giving you the ability to switch seamlessly between T10s as you move from living room and dining room to bedroom. Born to roam everywhere. T10 AC1200 Mesh Smart Wireless Coverage System.